Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And here in the series of GATE previous year question solutions, the question we are discussing here is GATE CS 2015 Set 1 question 44 from Discrete Mathematics and Graph Theory. The question is, suppose L equals to PQRST is a lattice represented by the following Hasse diagram, right? This is the following Hasse diagram which is in front of you. And L equals to PQRST is a lattice which is represented by this. For any XY belongs to L, not necessarily distinct, X or Y and X and Y are joined and meet of XY respectively. Let L3 equals to XYZ, XYZ where belongs to the lattice be the set of all ordered triplets of the elements of L. Let PR be the probability that an element XYZ belongs to L3 chosen equiprobably satisfy X or Y and Z equals to X or Y and X or Z. That is nothing but distributive property, right? Distributive property. So which of the following option is correct? So if you will see here, we need to choose a triplet from like XYZ from PQR ST. That is from 5 we need to choose 3 such that it will follow the distributive properties. So the way in which we can find total, for total way of finding triplets means total way of finding such triplets is 5 multiply with 5 multiply with 5. That is nothing but 125. This is the total way to find such 3 strings from all these 5. But here is a constraint. The constraint is that satisfies this distributive property. So if you will observe Q, R, and S, right? Q, R, and S, they all have 2 complements. They all have 2 complements, Q, R, S, right? That are not following, that will not follow distributive property because at least one part of the triplet should be such that have unique complement. That is why. So if you will see QRS, if you will observe QSR, or if you will say SQR or SRQ or Q or RSQ or RQS, these 6 triplets will not be the part of that selected part. Basically, you can also derive it by the formula 3 factorial, because how many factorial, how many triplets QRS will generate? 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is nothing but 6. So this 6 triplets will not be the part of our selected part of XYZ that belongs to this L3, and that because that is not satisfying this distributive property. So if you will see 125 minus 6, that is 119. And how much total? Total is 125. So 119 divided by 125. If you will see the equiprobably, then it is lesser than 1, but it is greater than 1 by 5. So option D is the correct answer for this GATE question. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Further, if you have any kind of doubt or query in this question, do comment. I will try to resolve your doubt and query as early as possible from my side. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.